What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. It is raining outside a little bit, so if you hear the noise in the background, my apologies. But I gotta get these videos out for you guys, keep you guys updated on what's happening with Cas. And you know, it's looking pretty good for Cas, guys. We bounced off that support level. We're gonna dive into the chart a little bit, go through some information, some updates. And you know, we're just gonna dive in like we always do in these videos. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. And yeah, show some love, share the videos with your friends and family. Feel free to comment and all of that as well. Now let me get these off the chart real quick. We was on the live stream, somebody pointed out it does look like an inverse head and shoulder on the 1 hour chart, right? But as you guys can see from here, we bounced off that 3 cent mark for Cas, and we started to move up for from there, right? The resistance right now is around that 42 cent mark, and on the daily, that was the previous all-time high level, right? That is the resistance level now. But on the daily, we don't look that bad. It looks like Cas is ready to start moving up again from here, right? On the daily chart. So we're keeping an eye on that. And obviously, guys, a huge indicator for a potential bullish move, right, is this potential cup and handle pattern that is forming for Cas, right? Huge cup and handle pattern that is forming on the daily that a lot of people have their eye on, that I've also taken notice of myself. And you can see right there, clear as day, right in your face, man, that you know, this could be what's playing out. So we're gonna keep an eye on that, guys, and you know, keep looking at it and see what happens. But yeah, we are bouncing from this previous support level right here, and once we break this resistance, we could pop up from here, retest this resistance as support from the previous all-time high back in April, right? And then we continue the uptrend, guys. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, Caspians. So yeah, keep tuned into the channel, keep giving you guys updates. Now, I'm not the best at TA. I just know a little bit, you know, just a little of the basic stuff, but some things are more clear to you as far as like what you see in the charts. Some things are a lot more clear. You can see them. You don't have to be like an expert to see certain things, right? So we'll keep an eye on that, right? Cas was sitting at $845 million in market cap, $11 million in 24-hour trade volume. And like I said, man, we are moving up, man. So we'll see how this week plays out. Today is Sunday. So let's see how this week plays out for Cas. Cadillac, man, Cas will replace ETH, probably, yes. The younger and better equipped Kaspa is coming to wipe out all the old ETH and its weak POS derivatives. Interesting take. GoldenEye, Cas is full of moon boys, alright beers. We shall see. I won't be surprised if we hit 10 cents by the end of the year without a tier 1 listing. A lot of people are speculating we go to 10 to 14 cents this year, and I wouldn't put it past Cas, man. Like, it's one of the strongest altcoins that we've seen in the space, and there's no denying that fact. Whether you're bullish or bearish on Cas, it is one of the strongest altcoins, guys. From Schwigen, just bought a couple more bags. This is new to me, right? And right here from Dread Bongo, Cas has been voted as the layer 1 that has the best chance of displacing ETH as the L1 king. Casper and H-bar rounded out on the top 3. Okay, look at this. So there was a poll, I'm guessing done by the community, right? Okay, so this is the original tweet right here. Which project has the best chance of displacing ETH as the layer 1 king? I will tally up the answers below. We'll go through together which projects gets the most votes, right? And there was a poll done from Dread Bongo, and a lot of people put in their votes and everything, and the majority of people put Cas as number 1, man. You know, that is very interesting to see. That is very interesting. I'm guessing a lot more people are waking up, or you know, the community of Kaspa is just beyond a lot of these other projects communities, right? But I won't say any of these other projects are bad projects, but Cas to me is a step above a lot, right? The DAG technology, DAG9 technology is a step above the rest, in my opinion. Ross the Legend, if you want to be rich, follow the great minds. Elon Musk Tesla, 68 cents to $409. What? Amazon, 7 cents to $186. Then we have Kaspa, 0015 to $10. Follow the smart minds, follow the great minds. Jonathan Sampolinsky, do your own research on Jonathan and Aviv Zohar, then come back to me, man. Crypto BN, Cas has been voted as the layer 1 that has the best chance of displacing ETH as the L1 king. Absolutely insane trust on this project. Imagine if smart contracts are out on Cas. Literally, it goes to the #1 position. And that's what a lot of people are waiting for. They're waiting for the 10 BPS mainnet, also waiting for smart contracts, right? To truly cement that L1 technology that is Cas, right? But the goal for Cas at the end of the day is to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. But I have faith in the community devs, and the more and more people that are getting onboarded to Cas, the more developers are stepping in. They'll get to their goals of 100 BPS mainnet and smart contracts in the future. Now it's just patience, right? Alex R, Cas is breaking old narrative. If Bitcoin is the best performing asset, the best store of value, and Cas is doing this against BTC the whole bear market, I would seriously question if this narrative are still valid. And this is what Cas has been doing the whole time from since its inception. It has just been crushing it. It doesn't matter the market conditions, doesn't matter what's happening with you know, Elon Musk dumping his Bitcoin on us, Evergrande collapsing, Sam Bankman-Fried, you know, Scam Bankman-Fried, Voyager, Celsius. You know, all of these things that happened going into the end of last year that completely tanked the markets. Didn't do much to the Kaspa chart, right? Cas is in a league of its own, man, and you see that hash rate hitting new all-time highs every day. Guys, follow the miners, right? Eventually, price will follow. If the hash rate keeps going up, the miners keep, you know, securing the network of Cas, eventually the price shall follow. And you know, it was the same thing with Bitcoin as well. We could see the levels when it comes to the miners and stuff like that. There's images that you could also take a look at where in 2013, 2014, Cas is matching the same hash rate PHS that Bitcoin had back at those years in time, right? Back in that, you know, time frame, 2013, 2014, Kaspa has the same hash rate levels, guys. So in my opinion, that is great going into the future. Long term, what can we expect, right? The hash rate keeps going up, miners keep coming into the network for Cas. I think, like I said, the price will eventually follow. It's the same thing with Bitcoin. When you see the hash rate just keeps hitting new all-time highs for Bitcoin, it's great for Bitcoin and, you know, its price action. But not only just the price action, the technology itself, right? Kaspa News, BTC and Cas regulation friendly. No ICO, fear launch, no dev allocations, driven by community, purely decentralized, secure, no pre-mining, no commercial tricks, also Kaspa. Real trilemma solver, fastest 32 BPS Rust upgrade, most advanced proof of work ever. And again, this is another point to you know, expound upon, that Cas isn't can't be labeled in the unregistered security SEC, you know, type of situation that, you know, other projects found themselves in or recently found themselves in. Like, for example, Cardano and a few others recently got mentioned as unregistered securities. But, you know, recently with XRP, the judge saying XRP isn't an unregistered security. Those those fine lines that are being crossed, those, you know, the gray areas, right? It's not the same here. It's not the same thing here with Cas. It's clear that this is a commodity because of its proof of work, how it launched, right? No centralized entity owning the project, right? So again, this Cas is clear as day. It's not gonna be considered a security. Say regulation does truly, step into the space and regulation. You know how the governments are. You know how the system is. How unfair and unjust it is. Who knows? We get to a point where regulation comes in and it just absolutely demolishes a lot of projects, right? To make way for a more stable crypto space, not much volatility, so more institutional money could step in. But that's not gonna be great. What we're here, a lot of people are here for the volatility in crypto, right? And you know, a huge crackdown on regulation could make crypto be more like the TradFi markets, where you wait a year for a 2x, 100% move in like years or something like that, right? That could potentially be on, you know, happening in the future as, the governments, the system gets more and more control, right? Not the case with Cas. It's truly decentralized, just like Bitcoin is. So the whole unregistered security for Cas, that kind of label can't apply with Cas, guys. From Captain Sats, Ethereum got popular not just due to smart contracts, but also because of the secure, fast block times compared to Bitcoin, which is thanks to Ghost. Ghost is the Kaspa's founder's innovation, Jonathan Sampolinski. It was a game changer without which ETH would be as slow as Bitcoin. Can't speak, my apologies. Check Kaspa. Ethereum, a next generation currency and a centralized application platform. Ghost, pioneered by Aviv Zohar and Jonathan Sampolinski. Ethereum is the first major currency to integrate a simplified single level version of Ghost as part of its protocol, right? And we saw how Ethereum became so huge because they integrated this old technology from Jonathan and Aviv Zohar. This is old technology. Dynamite, like I said time and time again in videos, is leagues above these previous technologies that we're seeing. NFT Fanatic, cash dropped from 0.52 to 0.36 in 10 days, but is now stabilizing with the upcoming launch of the Bybit spot trading, coupled with the expectations of no interest rate in September and the potential of approvals of BTCs, ETP and ETF. A bullish trend for 10 cents is anticipated. Kaspa, 10 cents could happen faster than we think, guys. And again, back to the hash rate from Crypto Grod. Cas is destined to reach the pinnacle of security like EXA's hash level. This is inevitable outcome hinges on time as ASICs join and hash rate surges. With adoption awareness and project confidence, the network security strengthens exponentially. So look at this, new all-time high of the hash rate, 12.2 PHS. Again, these are the type of levels that we saw in Bitcoin in 2013, 2014, and this keeps up, right? The price will follow. I'm telling you. 84.eth Bitcoin maxis right now. I saw this. I was like, I gotta share this with y'all. You know, end the video out on a laugh. They got some Satoshi. This is the Bitcoin maxis right here, Satoshi. They taking a look at Cas, man. They think Jonathan looking very attractive. Kaspa News, Cas is the future of L1 blockchains. It's designed perfection, has many in the ecosystem standing and taking notice. Lightning fast TPS, proof of work, no pre-mine, no pre-allocated coins, Ghost DApp protocol, Docs team, unmatched technology, solves blockchain trilemma. Docs founders, right? Because there's not really a team per se. Decentralization, scalability, security. Hilo God, Cas is going to 10 cents by the end of the month. End of the month. Okay. Copenhagen forming on its way, the runway, and ready to lift off in T minus. Yeah, man. Again, this is what we've been This is what a lot of people have spotted and taken a look at. Like I showed you guys Previously, this is on the daily chart. You could see, I could draw it and you could clearly see it yourself. Boom, that's the cup, this is the handle, and then we see the breakout, and it's the same thing here, hilo, on the daily chart, the cup, this is the hand, and then we got the breakout. So we'll keep an eye on that, man. Caspian, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Nothing but banger content on the channel. Share with your friends and family. Blow this video up. Share constantly with the Kaspa community. Let's take over the space together and grow together, guys. And can't thank y'all enough for the support. Go rewatch the previous videos. Got a Kaspa playlist on the front page as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next